Good morning, students. I hope you are fine at your respective ends. So today we are going to discuss about the practical of yours, 9th grade chemistry. Aim of the experiment is preparation of a mixture and a compound by using iron fillings and sulfur powder. And we are going to differentiate between them, we are going to distinguish rather on the basis of appearance, like the mixture and the compound, it is homogeneous or heterogeneous. Then behavior towards manganate, okay. Then behavior towards carbon disulfide. Carbon disulfide is an organic solvent, okay. And effect of heat, okay. So here on the watch glass, this glass is called the watch glass. I'm having the iron fillings, okay, and this is a sulfur powder, the yellow color sulfur powder. I'm going to mix the contents together, and I'm having this a mixture where I have mixed both the contents. That is iron fillings and sulfur powder. Okay. I'm going to start with the help of glass rod. This is your mixture A. Okay. And china dish. Okay. I'm going to mix both this sulfur powder and iron filling. This I am doing it for making the compound. Okay, afterwards I will be heating it and then it will be making a compound. Black color compound is formed. Okay, so we are mixing it together. So on the basis of homogeneity, this is homogeneous now. Okay, on the contrary, this mixture is heterogeneous. You can see the yellow and the blackness, they are a little bit different from each other, but here extreme black color compound. So homogeneous, compound is homogeneous, mixture is heterogeneous. Homogeneity I have explained. I am going to distinguish on the basis of the magnet. This is a bar magnet we are having, bar magnet, and this is a mixture we are having, in which we are having iron and sulfur powder. So I will be moving this bar magnet, and what you will observe, you will be coming to know very soon about this. So look here, when I will be moving the contents, so what will happening? All the iron chunks or iron fillings, you can say that, they are getting connected to this bar magnet, leaving behind the sulfur powder. Now this is a mixture in which the individuals, that is iron and sulfur, they are retaining its properties. Sulfur, you know that sulfur is soluble in, I'm going to show you, sulfur is soluble in carbon disulfide. I'm going to show you that soon. So this is carbon disulfide. Pani mein this is not soluble, okay, but this is soluble in carbon disulfide. So you can easily observe. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. And here, this is again the T1 bar magnet. Now this is a compound, a black color compound which has been formed, that is iron sulfide, FeS. Okay, I'm going to move this magnet, okay, bar magnet. अब देखेंगे कि तो iron attract करता है या नहीं करता. Let us observe this thing. हो चुका है कि it will not going to attract the bar magnet. Okay, got it? Being this is a completely new compound that has been formed. Okay, by heating the contents together. प्रॉपर्टीज दोनों आयरन और सल्फर अपनी खो चुके हैं. आयरन सल्फाइड एक न्यू कंपाउंड बन चुका है, एक नया सब्सटेंस बन चुका है. ठीक है. सो नाउ दिस हैज बीन क्लैरिफाइड. बिहेवियर टुवर्ड्स अ मैग्नेट, बिहेवियर टुवर्ड्स कार्बन डाइसल्फाइड आई हैव ऑलरेडी शोन टू यू बिटवीन दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. एंड द इफेक्ट ऑफ हीटिंग करने से तो व्हाट विल हैपन, जब हमने याद होगा हमने हीट किया था मिक्सचर को, तो यही ब्लैक कलर कंपाउंड ही फॉर्म हुआ था, दैट इज iron sulfide. Okay, but इसको फर्दर हीटिंग करने से nothing will be gone wrong, कोई कलर चेंज नहीं होगा, ऐसे ही कलर रहेगा. Okay, thank you very much.